job, guys. Thank you. So you think you can build a canoe? Yeah, this bar here. That's enough.
Yeah, hand me that.
Yeah, give her. Take your bag off and let him do it.
Twist.
Yeah, that's close like that.
Oh!
Wait, Diane gets 1,000 and Mickey gets how much? 150?
200.
200?
You want to try some video?
Yeah.
Main thing is just to get sort of short.
Careful, guys. Nice.
Watch out.
It's like a whole bunch of them.
5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 80, 90. 90 years!
90 years, huh?
No.
Maybe 190?
Because I'm counting. I'm counting 10.
And the Sockeye.
That's hard. Yeah. Remember going up in the public from like we don't get you off the
Get it off? Keep going.
The virtual tour. We haven't done this in a while. Stern to bow on the Sockeye. Mad chunks coming out there. Well, we're just coming back from a wonderful meal, the family night that they do every 6 weeks or so here in Inchelium at the school, and some of the parents, some of the kids, and we're walking back into camp. And this is what it looks like coming in our canoe camp. We're actually staying in the park, as they call it. Voyages of Rediscovery. The little guy we made a couple days ago.
Yeah, this is one of the same logs. This is the same thing. Yeah. But I actually got a crew dog you can call and get later today or tomorrow for sure, okay? Alright, have a good night. Love you.
Hey! Look at this. Columbia River. Isn't that beautiful?
Cold.
That's beautiful. All right. Just got Tyee off the trailer. Should have gotten that too. Beautiful.
Right on. Oh. All right, so for the last little bit, John's gonna fire up the chainsaw. How's it going, man?
Make sure you hang on to those things when you're swinging. It's easier for them to come out sometimes. This little cut is really wide at the base here. Just trying to allow for a nice high crowd. What we're trying to do is keep this big section here. I told him I want to make a shovel nose out of it if we have enough wood. So make another canoe out of it. No, so he's trying to save that piece, and that's nice. I mean, he'll get it. He's going to bring it down to that line, and it's going to be one chunk. You see, that'll be another small canoe right there. I think it's enough wood to do it. I mean, he's okay with that. Like we're doing another canoe right now. That's beautiful, man. Big kids are having at it, huh? Nice.
Careful. Here, I'll hold on to it. Go ahead. Go ahead, monster. We're so Alright. Flip through. You know that was the meaning of your name?
Thank you for grabbing the ads.
So before we use it, we have to learn how to use it the right way. Right? That's the main thing. So if you guys come out of the canoe here, we can practice. Come on out, come on out. So what you're going to do is chop right here. But you need 2 hands at all times. Right, hold on, you gotta watch, guys. You gotta stay away. Hands together. Nope. Too big.
Trying to make it go like that, huh? Or are you just hanging on?
We're just trying to make it go.
Yeah, well, you need paddles. Maybe a little water, huh?
What is it?
if everybody comes on down here, we're going to show you the tools.
Okay guys, come down here. Pay
So now
attention.
we know we have this log here, we have to turn it into a canoe, but how are we going to do it?
With the chainsaw.
We're going to start with a chainsaw, but we're going to do
No, we're gonna chip like
we're going to chip away. Exactly. There is. So before, what do you think we used before there was steel?
And we have some flint.
Just like this. This is obsidian. Yep.
Obsidian?
Yep.
Wait,
and
that's
this is one of the strongest stones, and you use flint to make it sharp, right?
My grandpa
So you can pass that around. Oh yeah? Cool. And so we also,
We just find this.
how long do you think it would take to make this canoe if we only had obsidian?
It'd take us a week, 2 years.
A year probably, right? Going at it real slow. What's going to make things easier is using these steel tools. So we have a lot of different kind of tools.
I know this. I know what this does. It carves it.
Exactly. So we need to put this. We need to put it down. One of the only rules here we have is not to pick up any tools until you have somebody else to show you how to use it. Right?
Stepped on my hands.
So we're going to show you how to use these different tools right now. We have an adze.
You want to build on the canoe?
This is a scorp, and we have another one. So let's come on over to this canoe here. John will show you with the adze, and I'll show you with the scorp.
So this tool's called an adze, and it takes out, I call it a beaver coop. Doesn't this look like kind of the, you ever seen a tree that's been chewed up by a beaver?
It smells so good.
Have you?
Doesn't it?
No? Did you know that beavers chew on trees? Chew them down? Well, they kind of look like this below the base of the tree, and they kind of make a mark.
Wow, we got another class.
Yeah, got lots of hands.
Alright, we're going to swap out a little bit. Have you tried this one yet? You tried it, right? Alright, you're going to come over here. And chip away. Two hands at all times. Very careful. Careful. You want to try this one? You want to the lines going like that? But if you come like this, so like this. It's going to be really hard when you're next to that.
Use 2 hands.
Well, you can use one if you like. The smaller ones are better for one hand, but whatever feels comfortable to you.
I told these.
Yeah, no, I like 2. I always use 2 on that one, and that's the tool I use. I don't really use much else. Although that scorp that you got there is really nice too. That's how you finish it. That's how you make it nice and smooth. See? And yeah. Yep.
Splinter.
Yes. Get used to that.
Okay, I don't really want to do this now. Splinters.
Where are you going with that canoe?
So you create little grooves on when you put
Like the gunnels and the rails. There's one bevel in the center. I'll show you.
Okay guys,
Are you ready to flip her down?
we're gonna look at this.
Nice job. But like the rail
Can
here,
we
you
sit
just
in
part
it?
of it.
Your body!
It's alright.
You find something in there?
Yeah, big hole.
Right, 1, 2. You're blocking it. Perfect. 1, 2, 3.
Cheese!
Awesome, guys.
Get me!
Stand on the
One more chop. I like hearing that. We have motivated choppers here. You're chopping good, girl.
Good job, Nick.
What is it?
Centipede.
Oh, I can hardly see him. Oh, no kidding. Right on.
Giant. Grown the color.
Oh yeah? Neat.
What we do is
Do me a favor, bud. Yeah, you just can't go on the ground. They'll get covered up and somebody step on it. So, no big deal. Yeah, either in there or on the table. Yeah, that's cool. You could hand it to somebody. Want to try it?
What are those?
Awesome. I think I think. Well,
Holy God.
yeah, so we just checked in here. That's where the route starts.
Yeah.
But I think we're gonna be good, because look. You know, we have
That's
4.5 inches.
That's a ton of room there, man.
Alright, let's go!
Face that way. Want to go that way?
Whoa!
You're the stern girl. You got the very important spot.
What the heck are you
Who stands up in a canoe and who sits down?
Hey, tell you what. Why don't you try sitting on top of here? I know it's a little uneven, but try sitting there. That's where the stern guy goes.
Who's steering?
Then you got to steer it. See?
The person in the front or the person in the back? The person in the back.
Yeah, you hit your teacher. You
These are fearless.
go down 1 letter grade.
Alright, help turn the canoe to the left. Reach out to the left. Pull in some water. You gotta turn that thing over. It weighs about 1,500 pounds. Weighs about as much as everyone here combined. How about that? Not gold, I'm kidding.
How come this can't shake?
He's going to show you how they do it, guys. Watch out. One, two, three.
Everybody stand back and watch this. Stand back, stand back.
Watch how it works.
All stand away.
You're making more wood.
So how long does it take to carve the canoe again?
Oh, fun.
How long?
3 weeks.
3 weeks or a month? So you see how we're going to do it now?
Yeah.
Alright, you guys can get all these chips out.
Go get the chips out.
Woo! It's a present. Oh, it's deep.
Careful up there. Gently, gently. Put them on the side. Gently. Don't throw them because they might hit someone.
Take them out, okay?
There you go, guys.
Daddy, this looks like the side of the cup.
Thank you for your help.
It's like a cup.
Careful, no jumping.
It's like a cup.
Alright guys, good job.
Not really.
Take it to the floor. Sure. How you go?
We'll see you guys later.
See ya.
Good job, guys.
Really did some damage in here today.
Man, oh man.
Nice weekend. What? Have a good weekend.
What is that? A double pair of shoes or something?
This is the coolest. I can't believe it. There you go.